Water is so simple, it is one of the oldest liquid substances on this earth. Well, there is a lot of misinformation out there about good old H2O. Drink as much of it is as you can possibly stand. Never drink from tap, only drink bottled. Here are 10 ways you are drinking water wrong. 1. Waiting until you are very thirsty. If you are desperately thirsty to the point when you think you might faint without water. When you think you might faint without water and your mouth feels like a desert, then you have waited too long. When you feel that first hint of dehydration, have a sip of water. 2. Forcing yourself to drink. You also should not be forcing yourself to guzzle water all day long. Even when you are not the tiniest bit thirsty, if you feel like your tummy is going to burst from water, you cannot stop peeing, you are drinking too much. In hyponatremia, the body holds on to too much water. This dilutes the amount of sodium in the blood and causes levels to be low. 3. Reusing water bottles. While reusing water bottles may feel like a money-saving way to cheat the system, you are just cheating your body. Water bottles deteriorate over time and their chemicals leak into your H2O. Drink one and recycle it. BPA and other plastic toxins can then make their way into your bloodstream. It can cause us a host of problems including various cancers as well as liver and kidney damage. 4. Carbonated or sparkling water. You might think drinking only sparkling water is a way to get around drinking boring old water. But don't forget that this form of H2O can have sodium. It is not a lot of sodium, but if this is the only water you drink, that sodium can add up. Hypernatremia most often occurs in people who do not drink enough water, a high concentration of sodium in the blood. 5. Drinking while you eat. Research shows that sipping a little water during meals is not cause for concern, but drinking a glass or two may interfere with digestion. It is best to drink fluids before and 2 hours after meals as this helps in absorption of nutrients, researchers have found. 6. Being finicky about temperature. It does not really matter what temperature your water is, your body will make use of it either way. Some people may tell you that you should only drink it at room temperature, but there is not conclusive evidence that matters. 7. Drinking old car water. If you left it in a car for a weeks at a time, then there is a small chances that some chemicals like BPA could leach into the water. The biggest risk is drinking from the bottle, letting it sit in the hot car, then drinking it again. 8. Drinking ice cold water. Consuming ice cold or chilled water is not healthy and you may experience certain physical discomforts. After drinking chilled water, the blood vessels in your stomach tend to shrink and it affects the digestion process. Due to low temperature of chilled water, your body finds it difficult to break down the food. It further leads to the hardening of fats and digestion becomes difficult. 9. Drinking water at the end of the breakfast. Drinking water on an empty stomach, you can increase your metabolic rate by 24%. Increases your metabolic rate, you are digesting faster and therefore improving your digestive system. The water also purifies your colon, letting the organ absorb nutrients faster naturally. 10. Skipping the glass of water before bedtime. Drinking a glass of water before bed allows your body to stabilize its hormone levels as well as its vitamins and nutrients level. Drinking water before bed helps level out your blood throughout your body to prevent heart attacks throughout the night and the early hours of the morning. If you are thirsty, drink water. If you are not thirsty, don't force yourself. Which way you are drinking, kindly comment.